Here we are driving on Long Beach Road. Actually, no, we're on Park. And a whole bunch of boarded up buildings here. Yeah, there it is.